Good morning, guys. So today we had a customer request a chain change out on a Harrington 2-ton hoist. So we got to get this thing changed out and make sure this thing is safe for operation. We ordered this chain directly from Harrington, so let's go ahead and verify that it is the chain that we need. So the first thing we're going to want to do is get the chain catch off. This thing weighs a ton in there. This thing weighs a ton, so I'm going to go ahead and lower my hoist chain down about as far as it goes. We'll see what we can do. Let's go ahead and lower that down. That should be about good. Yep. So this is a E2 chain catch. So this is the stopper to engage the clutch for shutdown in case things get out of hand and the employee tries to run out the chain. Let's go ahead and make sure that that catch is operational. It'd be a horrible thing. Chain runs out, you drop that load, that's going to be a bad day. All right, so let's see what we got to do. All right, so let's get this stopper off. Let's get this chain opened up and exposed. Ready to run this bad boy out. Okay, so now we're going to attach our new chain to our old chain. I don't have a chain link connector, so I think we're going to make one out of here. So we're going to cut this piece out, and we'll make a chain link connector. So let me grab my grinder. There we go. Here we go. There we go. Piece is gone. Uh-oh, here we go. Thing ran out on me. All right, so we see it going. Here we go. There is the new section right here. Looking good. All right. All right. Here we go. Let's get our end stop all built up. Let's get this bag assembly rigged back up. Alright, we'll go ahead and go down there. Run this chain back into that bag, swap out the hook assembly, call it a day for this one. Start running up that chain. There we go, we found it. That is the end. Get it to a nice height, you'll work with it. Now we'll go ahead and get this big old chain disassembled. Alright, for this teardown I think I'm gonna have to get some sockets. Okay, so it looks like we're gonna be 11/16. There we go. There it is. She's looking beautiful. Let's go ahead and run it all the way up. Make sure our stopper's working. So basically, if your stopper's not working, perfect. You won't hear that click and your chain will just start grinding up into your hoist. So everything looks good. Yep, I like it. Alright, and that concludes Harrington 2-ton hoist chain change out.